Okay, hello, good morning everyone. We are from group 3 and today we are going to present and some topic. And I'm Haifa Sabila as speaker 1 and speaker 2 is Setiawati Kartika and the last speaker 3 is Fania Sawalia. And now I want to explain style and register. Style is way language is used in speaking for writing, like that, and vocabulary, grammar, like that. And register is a variation of language, depending on context, such as who are talking to and where we are, like that. And then about formal and informal language. Formal language is usually complete sentence, clear grammarly, like that. And informal like a short word, simple word, and for example is cannot, cannot, and where, like that. And for example, for formal is do not, where are, like that. And then why register is important? Because a register must clear communication. Using the right register avoids misunderstanding. And the second is academic, such as formal register is accepted in essay, exam, or presentation. Like that. And then personal readiness is like at work. And then email or report need formal style. And for example, like social connection. Social connection is like informal register build closeness with friend. Like that. Maybe from my topic is like that. And now I will be next by Setiawati Kartika.
Okay, thank you, Haifa. Now I will explain about the teacher talk versus student talk. Teacher talk usually use a more formal register, especially when explaining grammar, giving instruction, and or assessing student. Meanwhile, student talk tends to be less formal. More example when they ask a question or discuss with their peers. In the Indonesian education context, teacher talk is often dominant, but student talk is equally important because it allows students to practice their English in real communication. For instance, when a teacher asks, "Could you explain your answer?" the student may reply, "I think it's because the past tense is used here." This exchange show how different registers are used. The teacher is more formal, while the student is less formal but still academic. Therefore, we can see that balancing teacher talk and student talk is necessary for effective classroom interaction. Next, my friend Fania will continue with why register matters in English language teaching. Thank you.
Thanks, Tia. So the last point we want to highlight is why the register matters in English language teaching, or ELT. So a register is important because English learners need to know how to use both academic English and everyday English depending on the context. For example, a student writing an essay should use academic register. The data suggests that blah blah blah. But in everyday conversation, the same student might say, I think the results shows blah 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 blah. Both are correct, but they are used in different way. So the place of the use is different, yeah. And this is especially important in Indonesia, where students sometimes struggle with switching registers. In the classroom, teachers can guide students to recognize when to use formal and informal, such as in presentation, and when to use informal in peer discussion like that. So to conclude, my part register matters because it helps students become flexible and competent language users. So not only in exams but also in real life communication. Now I will return to Haifa for the closing of our presentation.